With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In the shown figure, a particle is released from the position A on a smooth track. When the particle reaches at B, then the normal reaction on it by the track is. So we have to find the normal reaction at point B. Now, if it has released from A, at some moment, suppose it has reached, suppose this is point C. Then from A to C, when we apply work energy theorem, work done by mg is mg into h is 3h is equal to change in kinetic energy, because we are applying work energy theorem. So mg into 3h is equal to change in kinetic energy, that will be 1 by 2 m v square. Suppose here velocity is v, so it will be 1 by 2 m v square. Initial velocity is 0, so initial kinetic energy will be 0. So we get v is equal to root 6 gh. This will be our velocity at point C, root 6 gh. Now if we apply same work energy theorem from C to B, applying work energy theorem, we get from C to B there is the gain in potential energy. And what will be the gain in the height? This is h, this is h, so it will be 2h. So gain in height will be mgh, that is equal to loss in potential energy, that will be equal to 1 by 2 m. Suppose at B the velocity will be vc, vb. At B velocity will be vb, so it will be 1 by 2 m vb square final minus 1 by 2 m v square, that is v square is the velocity at C. So this is a change in kinetic energy we have used here, that work done by mg is equal to change in kinetic energy. So it will be what? 2gh is equal to, because mm got cancelled from both sides, so we get 2gh is equal to vb square upon 2 minus 1 by 2 m. And what is v? V is root 6 gh, so it will be 6 gh. M is cancelled. Now we get vb square is equal to there is one mistake here. I have not used the negative sign here, because mg force is in downward direction and it has the block is moving from C to B, so it is against the direction of mg, the movement of block. So we have minus in place of work done. From A to C we haven't used minus sign, because mg is also downward and the displacement is also in downward direction, so there will be no negative sign from A to C. But from C to B we have negative sign, because mg is in downward direction and we have movement displacement from C to B in upward direction, so there will be minus 2gh. Now we get vb square is equal to 6gh minus 4gh. Simply we have multiplied this 2 on other side, so we get vb is equal to root 2gh. Now FBD at point B. Now if we erase all these things, if we make FBD at point B, we get there is mg in downward direction normal reaction also in downward direction by the track, and there will be mvb square upon h. So equating all the forces, we get mg plus n is equal to mvb square upon h. It will be n is equal to m into vb square is 2gh upon h minus mg. So it will be 2mg minus mg is equal to mg. So the normal reaction is equal to mg. Thus, from the given options, the correct option is option 1, that is mg.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.